So our question this time is how many protons, neutrons, and electrons does chloride have? And then it tells us the mass is 37. Now, one of the keys here is the fact that it says chloride. Now, remember, if it ends in "ide", that means it is an ion. And so that's an important part of this question. And so if we think about chlorine and chloride, the charge that chlorine forms because of its location on the periodic table is always going to be -1, which means that if the charge is -1, that means that there's one more electron than proton. And so now let's look at our periodic table. We see that the atomic number for chlorine is 17, which means that there's 17 protons. And then we just talked about it. There's one extra electron giving it that -1 charge. So there's 18 electrons. And now for our neutrons, the key is that, remember, the mass is 37, and the mass is equal to our protons plus our neutrons. And so that means we need to have at least 20. Well, we have 20 neutrons for this atom.